What if you could carry your entire 4 terabytes of data in your pocket and connect all your devices to your MacBook at the same time? Seriously. Meet TurboHub. With up to 4 terabyte external expansion, you can back up and access all your photos, videos, music, film, programs, and games from anywhere. So, it's an SSD storage device. Sure, but not only. Your all-in-one SSD storage hub ensures 1200 megabit blazing speed data transfer from any of your devices. So it's a fast SSD. Even better. TurboHub brings back all the missing connectivity of your MacBook. It increases the ports on your laptop, instantly adding HDMI, USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports, SD card reader, and Ethernet connector. Forget all your big and small dongles. At times when you need faster, way faster internet connection to play video games or stream 4K videos, or simply keep your privacy, TurboHub has your back. Combining speed, portability, and design, TurboHub is the ultimate device you need. Do you need a screen? Or much better, 2? Connect them to your TurboHub and boost your productivity. Link multiple screens, devices, tablets, and smartphones with your laptop. Your new way of doing things. More capacity, greater speed, more flexibility with TurboHub.